Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can find channel by your um, search keyword. Okay, so if you want to find your um, keyword related channel, then it will be easy to watch. Okay, so how can you find this option? Just follow my step, then you will learn. This is easy process. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we have to go YouTube apps. Okay, so here you can see the right bottom corner. Click on this, and after that we have to search here. So I just search football, and after that okay. So here you can see the all are videos. Okay, all is videos. So if you want to get channel according to football keyword, so we need to follow few steps. So just follow my tutorial. Okay, here you can see the three dot line. Click on this, and after that we need to click filters also, and then we have to click here the type. You can see type here, this one, right? So just click all, and after that we'll get 5 option here. So we need to choose channel, this one, and after that we need to click apply, and all result will be channel. Okay, so all things are channel, so you can find easily channel on YouTube. There is no video, there is no playlist, and there is nothing except football. So this channel is all about football. So if you want to love to watch football, then you can subscribe their channel. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this video.